heater isn't kicking on. Set over to heat, and fans on auto. Set the temperature to 72. It's 60 in here right now. Nothing's kicking on. I do know that the thermostat seems to be working because when I turn on the fan, you can hear that the fan kicks on. So signal is going to the circuit board. So I know that's working. And if I turn this off, I can hear the relays clicking. After I took off the panel, just checking to see the voltage, I know that the green wire right here, that's for my fan, and the white wire right on top, right there with a W, that's for my furnace. When I measure across my fan and my red hot wire, I can see that I have 26 volts AC, which is good. If I measure across my red and yellow, I have 26 volts. But if I measure across my furnace, I only get 15 volts. This tells me that either the thermostat right here has some internal issues, or upstairs in my controller board is going bad. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to trick the system by connecting white all the way straight to red to turn on the furnace. So after connecting the white to the red, check the heat, nothing comes on. So I don't believe it's the thermostat that's broken. I'm just going to go through how I at least troubleshoot what's going on. So first of all, let's look at the wires right here. We have our white, this goes to our furnace. Green, this motor, the blower motor, and red right here, this is the supply voltage, the 26 volt supply voltage. And if you look at the gas valve right down here, this unit right here, where these two wires connected to, they call this an operator. Basically what it is, it's some type of solenoid system that, I don't know if you can see the symbol on here, but it has a inductor symbol, a coil symbol on here. If you did some research online, between these 2 points right here, by the way, I already disconnected the voltage, so I'm just going to remove these 2 contacts right here. If I measure between these 2 points right here, I should get 350 ohms. But when I measure it right now, I'm getting a complete open. So what I'm going to do right now is, between these 2 points, I'm going to put a 350 ohm resistor to simulate this operator right here, because this wire just goes all the way up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to disconnect this real quick. I'm going to put this in here. Let me put this on my lap real quick. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. And then I'm just going to connect the other side of the cable over here. And once again, if you don't understand why I'm doing this, I'm just trying to confirm that the operator is bad, and I'm just trying to simulate, if it was good, would I still get my 26 volts on this side. So I'm going to plug back into power. Power's back in. I'm going to change this to AC voltage. I'm just going to measure between these 2 points right now. And voila, I got back my 26 volts AC. So furthermore, it confirms that the operator right there is the cause of this whole issue.